everyone, today I wanted to give you a quick Schoology tour because we're going to be using Schoology a lot this year, and I want to make sure that you know exactly how to use my page so that you don't get confused or frustrated because you can't find something or you don't know how my page works, because I know that all of the teachers kind of lay it out a little bit differently depending on the class. So when you open up your Schoology page for my class, the first thing that should pop up is our agenda. This year I did it by the week so that you could easily see what we're doing all week long. So these are all different links. The words are all different links, so you can easily go and see, like, I want to see Thursday, and you can easily go to that slide and see what we are doing or what we did on Thursday. To get back to that main screen, just click home and you'll come right back here. So today is Tuesday. So today we have our agenda here. I have it split up in class and online because usually what we do in class and online are going to be exactly the same. But every once in a while, things like, we're going to have a group discussion. In class, you're easily going to be able to turn and yell to somebody who's in the room with you, where online, I'm going to have to join you up with somebody, or you might be doing a written discussion, so things might look just a tiny bit different, but we're going to try as often as we can to do the same things on the same day so that everybody's kind of at the same spot. On the side over here, you'll see that I have links that you will need for that day. So you should be able to click on those and it'll take you to whatever link you need to go to. On the online part, whether you are 100% online or you are hybrid, you can click here. This will take you to a Google Meet and you will be able to see what we're doing in class live. Please make sure that you are clicking on that when it's actually your time. So if you are scheduled to be in my first hour, I would like you to click on that sometime between 7:30 and 7:20. Don't click on it at like noon, because then it's going to be a completely different class. I teach both 9th and 10th grade, so if you click on it and it's not the right time, you might not even get the right grade. So please make sure that you're going on that when it's your actual class hour. I also have the goals listed down here so that you know why we're doing the things that we're doing and what kinds of skills they're going to give you, so that you're not ever sitting there wondering why we're doing something. I will have due dates listed on the agenda as well. You will notice, like here on Wednesday, it says that the due date is Thursday at midnight for that assignment. Over here, I have Monday, BOH. That means beginning of hour. If you ever see EOH, that means end of hour. I will also have things listed here when they are due. All of your assignments this year are going to be on Schoology. You'll be turning things in that way so that we don't have as much paper stuff. So all of your due dates will be listed here as well. We also have our calendar here. So this is our whole semester calendar, and this will have due dates on it as well. If you come down here, this is where our unit folders are. So as we keep going, you'll see more and more unit folders popping up. So when you open this up, it has inside all of our stuff that we're going to need. This folder is called Classroom Essentials because this is a folder that you might be going back to over and over and over again throughout the semester. So in here are just like the basics for the course, like the syllabus. I have your resubmission form in there, which the resubmission form was talked a little bit about in your syllabus. It has the America's Got Talent assignment sheet, which we're going to be working on, and where you're going to turn in the links to your videos. It also has a class library list here. So these are all the books on my bookshelves. This year, since we need to make sure that we are doing social distancing, I can't have people crowded around my bookshelves. So as a way to get around that, I have uploaded all of my books here, so you can easily scroll through and you can see what books I have, and then when you want to check them out, you can either tell me that you want the book and I'll find it for you, or if you can find the book without invading somebody's space, and then bring it to me and then I'll scan it and then we'll know that somebody has it out. You are able to check out books from me and from the library this year. Just let me know what you want to check out so that I can get it checked out for you. Up here, if we go back, we see our first unit is growth mindset. So all of your materials that you'll need will be in here, but as you saw, they'll also be linked up here on our agenda. So everything should be linked. Everything should be fairly easy to find as far as getting your materials. If we ever have updates or anything, I will post them on the updates. If I want to remind you of something, it'll go in there. Otherwise, it is pretty straightforward. If you have questions about how to use Schoology or where to find things, please let me know so that we can get you the answers that you need.